春希望を抱きます。車椅子
そうです。明日朝の予想最低気温です。今朝よりは気温がぐっと下がってくる見込みです。そして最高気温は今日よりも大幅に気温が低く、日中も寒さ続きそうです。風と波の予想です。風は北風がやや強く、特に沿岸部伊豆諸島では西風が強く吹くでしょう。波も外海を中心にしけが続く見込みです。花粉情報です。明日は気温が下がります。花粉はまだ少ないでしょう。そして向こう1週間の天気を見ますと、火曜日から木曜日は晴れるところが多いですが、朝晩を中心に冷え込みは厳しいでしょう。週末土曜日は広い範囲で雨が降る見込みです。
では NHK からのお知らせです。 NHK 全国学校音楽コンクールの課題曲講習会を来月26日に NHK みんなの広場ふれあいホールで行います。小学校と中学校の課題曲について合唱技術のレベルアップに役立つヒントを紹介する講習会です。指導を受けるモデル合唱団への参加はファックスで学校ごとにお申し込みください。詳しくはコンクール事務局電話 03-5455-4284 までお問い合わせください。また講習会の観覧をご希望の方は郵便往復はがきに必要事項を記入してご覧の宛先までお申し込みください。詳しくはハローダイヤルご覧の電話番号までお問い合わせください。
お逃げください。
真田家を襲う悲劇。
真田家にとってはこれからが正念場。
そして迫り来る強敵。
直ちに出陣し、そして死な。
真田の里に何かあった時は私をお助けくださりませ。真田丸総合今夜8時。
NHK スペシャル司馬遼太郎。
大地震に襲われたネパール。亡くなった人の良き生まれ変わりを祈る精霊流しに20万人が集まりました。夫を失った女性が炎の彼方に見た幻とは。精霊流しの夜に BS1 今夜9時。
Spring's first strong southerly winds have swept through many parts of the country. Daytime highs reached 20 degrees Celsius or higher in some places. This person says it's very warm. This person says she's surprised at the hot weather. Good evening, this is News 7 for Sunday, February 14th. The meteorological agency has announced that spring's first strong southerly winds swept through the Kanto, Tokai, Hokuriku, and Chugoku regions today. The warm southerly winds pushed temperatures way up. A daytime high of 23 degrees Celsius was recorded in central Tokyo. Temperatures rose to as high as those of early June in some places. But the warm weather will not continue. Tomorrow, temperatures are expected to rapidly drop to around the seasonal average. Agency officials are warning of big changes in temperature. Roadside trees are swaying in the strong winds. People are unable to put up their umbrellas. Strong winds swept through many parts of the country today. This is the visualized data on winds given by the meteorological agency. The images show winds from the south are blowing in many areas. The agency has announced the first southerly winds of spring swept through the Kanto, Tokai, Hokuriku, and Chugoku regions. A rapidly developing low-pressure system is blamed for the stormy winds. The maximum instantaneous wind speed reached roughly 131 kilometers per hour in Hachinohe, Aomori Prefecture, shortly after 4 p.m. Damage from the strong winds has been reported. Our reporter says scaffolding has collapsed at a construction site in Tokyo's Ota Ward. The scaffolding and a blue sheet were flapping hard in the wind and was blown onto the rooftop of an adjacent apartment. In Takaharu Town, Miyazaki Prefecture, a tent set up for a dressing room in an Ekiden long-distance relay race was blown away by gusty winds. A female high school student suffered a minor injury to the right arm. This person says she heard a roaring sound as the winds blew suddenly. This person says she heard a sound like a tent falling over.
The stormy weather affected transport systems. At JR Kanazawa Station, Limited Express and other trains were cancelled. Passengers could be seen asking the station staff when services will be resumed. This person says she is scheduled to return home today. Weather conditions affected flights too. 76 flights, mainly to and from Tokyo's Haneda Airport, were cancelled this morning. Airline companies say flight operations are expected to return to normal tomorrow as the weather improves. This is a view of New Chitose Airport in Hokkaido last night. Intermittent fog caused the cancellation of some flights. About 200 people stayed in the airport lobby overnight. This person says he's tired because he couldn't sleep. Meteorological agency officials say the influx of humid air from the low pressure system caused a big difference in temperatures between the sky and the ground, shrouding the airport in fog. Temperatures rose today across the country because of warm winds from the south. Today's daytime highs were 24.1 degrees in Kofu, 23.5 degrees in Nagoya, and 23.2 degrees in Mito. The temperature reached 23 degrees in central Tokyo and 20.9 degrees in Sendai. It was as warm as from early April to early June. This woman in Tsukuba City, Ibaraki Prefecture says it's very hot and she's wearing a short-sleeved shirt. This man says it's almost like summer. This man says his clothes are too warm for today and he's sweating. Our reporter says snow has melted and the ground can be seen at a skiing ground in Kanazawa City. The ski resort was closed temporarily. Yusei Matsuda of the Sports Corporation of Kanazawa City says this is a busy season, so it's tough for business. The low-pressure system is expected to pass near Hokkaido late this evening. Strong winds will continue for several more hours along coastal areas of northern Japan. The Japan Sea coast areas in Hokkaido can expect snowstorms again as another low-pressure system passes over there tomorrow morning. Winds of up to 65 meters per hour are likely over land in Hokkaido. In Tohoku, they will reach up to 58 meters per hour over land and 72 meters per hour at sea. The Meteorological Agency is calling on people in the affected areas to stay on the alert against gusts and high waves, as well as avalanches and landslides caused by melting snow. It's also calling for caution against disruption to traffic.
Tomorrow the mercury is expected to dip. This is due to the very winter weather pattern which brings in cold air in the sky. The lowest temperatures tomorrow morning are expected to be -4 in Sapporo,